Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to change video size in Shortcut. So we will just move to video size in adjustments. So right over here, this is the video which I checked. And if I want to just change the size, so we will just move in this plus icon. As you can see, just tab add filter, and in the source bar, just type for size. And as you can see, there is an option size, position, rotate. So we will just tab on it as well. So as you can see, these are four corner handles, and if I just have to like small or bigger, so in this way you will just have to change the size of video. Or another option is that first of all you will just have to remove this filter, and another option is that we will just move in this export option, this tab. And as you can see, there's an option, you will just have to change the resolution. You will also change the aspect ratio to switch to 9 by 16 or frame or color range. So when you just set it, you will just have to export your file. So in this way, you will just have to change video size in Shortcut. Thank you so much for watching, guys.